Hello! Today, we're going to learn how to crochet the chain stitch. Before we start, you need to prepare a ball of yarn, a stitch marker and a crochet hook. First, we need to make a slip knot. We need to hold the end of the yarn with our right hand. Then, pinch the working yarn with our left hand and wrap it around once. Pull the end of the yarn through the loop. Then tighten the working yarn. In this way, a slip knot is formed. Then we insert the crochet hook into the slip knot and pull the end of the yarn tight so that it encircles the hook. However, we need to leave a little space to allow the slip knot to slide on the hook. Now, we wrap the yarn around our hand and start crocheting the chain stitches. Place the crochet hook above the working yarn and yarn over. Pull the loop through the loop on the crochet hook. In this way, one chain stitch is completed. Let's continue to crochet one more chain stitch. We can just keep going like this, and then we'll be able to complete a chain of chain stitches. We can see that there are a lot of V-shaped stitches. One V-shape is one stitch. Okay, this is the way to crochet the chain stitch. If you've mastered it, you can move on to learn other stitches.